Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video you're gonna see me working with the clay and getting the desired shape with the help of molds and some tools. The clay, molds and the tools that I'm using are available in Amazon. You can go buy them if you want to try it. It's terracotta clay, some steel and plastic molds, and the tools are also made of plastic. So that's regarding the video that you're gonna see. And what I'm talking about today is that a problem that we all face, that we all talk about, we might have talked about it at least once in our lives, that is the starting problem. We all get many ideas in our lives, but very few of us try and apply them. There are many reasons of us not applying the ideas. The first mistake I think that we all do is that we take our idea to a few people and ask them if it will work out or not. It's okay because that's the only thing at the point of time that strikes your mind that you can do immediately. But what I feel is that you can ask people about an idea whether it will work out or not only if you know that they have tried something in that field and they have succeeded or not. That doesn't matter, but they must have tried something in the field that you're having idea in, or they must have some friends who have worked in that area, so they can tell you by asking them or something like that. The best people you can find for asking is your parents. No one else can actually give you the best information they have. But if you ask a person who has no experience in what you're talking about, they might influence your idea, and all the information that they give is just imaginative. They imagine things and they tell you this may happen, that may happen. That will take you away from the original thing that is going to happen. There is no use in asking such people. The better thing that you can do is go try and apply the idea how much ever you can. Though you may not succeed, you will gain some good experience if you fail also, and you can help some other person who has a similar kind of idea or in similar genre. But if you don't do so, there will be guilt that is left in you, and you won't have the satisfaction of trying it. If you try it, you will surely get the satisfaction and you will feel that at least I have tried it. So please start doing things that you have ideas in. Another reason why we won't try and apply the ideas that we have is that we are too lazy to apply them. I mean, it's just so irritating that we are lazy to apply our own ideas, but only if you overcome that laziness and apply your idea, only then you are going to achieve something, and you have nothing to lose if you fail. Remember that you're not putting so much of money that you will lose and you will end up in debt, right? So go and apply whatever idea you get. And by idea in this whole video, I mean that you have to start doing things practically, not just in your mind imagining that, oh, if I do like this, maybe I'll get there, maybe become this. Only if you start doing them, you will get there, or else you are not going to get. Each and everything that is around you today that is satisfying your needs was an idea at a point of time which was successfully applied. Some may not be successfully applied at the first go, they might have obtained a solution later on, and you are able to see the final product today. So, applying things is very important. Hoping that you have received something useful from the video. Thank you for watching.